What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Investing and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over our friend Bitcoin. Currently, we're sitting at 24,000, down 3.4 on the day. Sitting market cap of 455 billion. 24-hour volume 29.67 billion. Let's hop into the charts. So we've come down into our wave 2 pullback zone. So the really bullish scenario is that we bounce from here. I don't think it's likely, but definitely a possibility. We bounce from here and we have a 1.618 extension target for a wave 3 at about 27.2k. See a wave 4 pullback, see a final wave 5, and complete the wave 3, which is in the wave 3. All right, guys, that's the really bullish scenario, but we could definitely be putting in a overshooting wave B, where we've come down in a wave A, and this is an overshooting wave B, and we're still looking for a final wave C to the downside. Let's actually label it here. So we've come down. This is your A wave, this is your overshooting wave B, and we're still looking for a final wave C that could bring you down to about 29.5k. If we take a measurement here from the wave 1 low with our fib retracement all the way up to the top, we could come down to the 0.786, which is at 21.5k. Now we can take a fib retracement for this smaller wave 2, which we've already hit the target zone. If we go from the bottom, if this is a wave 1 to the upside, and we go from the top to the bottom, or sorry, from the bottom to the top, we've already come down to the 0.5, so that's a potential bounce zone. Then you have the 0.618. Let me make sure this is level here. Yeah, it looks good. And the 0.786 at about 23.1k. So those are your really bullish levels to bounce from for BTC. But a couple things we have to watch out for. We have a bearish divergence, higher high creating a lower high in the RSI on the 1 hour. On the 4 hour as well, we're creating a higher high, lower high. Potential double top pattern. We have broken out of this bull flag. So if we come up and break this high, we can see continuation all the way up to about 27.2k. I don't know if it's a likely scenario, but definitely a possibility. Money is flowing out as well as on 4 hour while price is pushing up, which can be an early sign of some pullback here. If we look at our next chart, we've been watching this ascending channel. As you can see here, we have a strong wick rejection. This is called a topping tail candle. Just as you saw right here, we saw a topping tail, we saw a move back down. We saw a topping tail right here, we saw a move back down. So once again, we've seen a topping tail, which can be an indication of a move back down. As you can see here, we are creating slightly higher highs while creating a slightly lower high on the RSI, as well as money is flowing out on the daily time frame, so that is something to keep in mind. If we do continue to push up, that major resistance to watch is the 0.382, 26.1, where this wick came down to is at about 25.5k, and then the 0.5 at about 29.4k. But if we look at coins like Ethereum, there are signs that we could definitely see some pullback as prices pushing up. As prices pushing up for Bitcoin, volume is tampering out, which can also be a sign of weakness here. So we'll have to see what happens. The really bullish case, we push up and we see a wave 3 within the wave 3 to take you up to about 27.7k, or we're putting in that large ABC and we're going to come down to this target zone here. Quite possibly about 21.5k, or the golden ratio here, which is coming in at about 22.2k for BTC. That's basically it for this little update. Recently we locked in some juicy gains here on our Ethereum long trade, Matic long, as well as Gala. So if you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, it's only $10 a month for my leverage trades, for my spot trades. You can see how the members are doing with the trade signals here, as well as their own trade calls. And we have over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can sign up through the Patreon link if you want to trade with me. Make sure to sign up to Bybit. Check out my full-length tutorial. Up to $4,500 in bonuses over there. You can follow me on IG if you like to. Smash that like button. And I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.